A router is a networking device that connects different networks, such as your local home network, to the internet. It manages the flow of data between devices within your home network and external networks. Routers use IP addresses to forward data to the right destination and offer security features like firewalls. They often include wireless capabilities for Wi-Fi. A modem is a device that converts digital data from your computer into the analog signal necessary for transmitting data over communication channels like telephone lines or cable systems. On the receiving end, it demodulates the analog signal back into digital data. Modems are crucial for connecting your home network to the internet, often working in tandem with a router. A switch is a networking device that connects multiple devices within the same local network, like computers, printers, and other devices. Unlike routers, switches don't manage connections to external networks. They operate at the data link layer and use MAC addresses to efficiently forward data only to the device that needs it, making local network communication faster and more efficient. Switches are common in home and office networks. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.